I can see it coming. I fight the fire with fire. There's something in the water coming alive. Jumping for a fall into pieces now. Just a simple warning to let me down. There's something in the water coming alive.
Is that a joint?
So what if the world's on fire?
Bruh. Hey, traders. Welcome to, I guess, just a lunchtime breakout stream. Bitcoin's received the upsloping flag. If you were here yesterday, well, I mean, half of you probably weren't here yesterday because I was shadow banned on YouTube because it's just random like that. It just happens. What was the topic of discussion for Bitcoin, at least? The bullish pin bar, where we even did education on the bullish pin bar reversal candle. As you can see right here. That's it, man. And from that bullish pin bar that tested the bottom of the upsloping bull flag, it seems. What a run it's been, where you've seen no red candles since that was painted. Beautiful structure. And the argument for hidden bullish divergence on at least the histogram was there still-ish. Started losing your negative momentum, and then things just started getting nuts early, or late last night, early this morning. So we broke the flag, and we just spent the last 4 hours back testing the flag that was once resistance, became support, and got really good follow-through price action to end that candle at its highest point since June 26, 2019. And where we are now, if you've been paying attention at all, watching the streams or even checking the charts, there is really no resistance on the chart until 13,869. Like, I mean, there's really like nothing, dude. Like, let's just go look left. There's nothing here, Larry. I mean, June 26, 2019, we ran up, hit that golden retrace. We've broken it now. We've broken that golden retrace. The major one from all-time highs. We'll look at that on the daily. But you get what's going on, right? We spent all this time, all weekend, consolidating, just creating that upsloping bull flag, the high and tight flag, and we finally have broken it pretty hard. And you'd think just a couple $100 away would be the next target. I mean, that's just how support resistance works, right? So I guess we could look further left just to see, check ourselves here. No, there's nothing here, man. I mean, like, there's no real swing high. Look, I guess you could say 14,049, 14,372, right? You get it, but the next one's 13.8. So let's go back, and total market cap thinks it's at its highest level since January of 2018. I mean, that happened, I think, this weekend before we pulled back some. So we'll see up there, 13,869. I think there's a PCZ of like a crab pattern around 14,200. I'll just look at it real quick for you. A parabolic run, man. Very nice. We're just talking about where there could be a reversal, maybe. You're talking about the 1618 fib extension up here. Okay. Right there, 14.2, 14.180, right? So that is where you could be headed. All right. I mean, we could get price action up thrusting through 13,869. You know, this could definitely be a reversal point. All right. It just could. So don't forget the bearish crab pattern. That's what they're there for. It looked like, I mean, so, you know, we were talking with patrons, and it was like, hey, man, is there triple RSI bearish divergence going on, you know, before the breakout, or as we were trying to break out? It's like, well, you could try to argue that, and it's still viable for now, but the thing is, that's why we have multiple oscillators. The histogram just went positive, right? It had not been positive since the 23rd of October, so once you go neutral, you lose all the negative momentum, you go neutral, you start going positive again. Normally, you don't get just one histogram wick. You normally get more histogram wicks, and they build on the price action. So that really helped give some solace. That was the word I used in the Patreon chat earlier. So very nice to see. So big shout out to Bitcoin. Can we please get some hype in the chat? I mean, like, if there's no hype in the chat now, I don't even know what has to happen, right? Like, what do you even want? What do you want, man, for hype? Like, okay. All right, daily. Very nice. The same thing. There's no resistance at all until 13,869. We look at the Fibonacci from that all-time high to the 3150 low. As you can see, the 618 has been broken just today. All right, today we broke it, but barely, 13,509 or so.
Hi.
What's up, David? Thanks for the.
Is that a joint?
All right, we're getting a few hypes in the chat. All right, yeah, we'll see what happens, man. You know, whatever. I mean, I don't know, dude. You realize last time, I mean, I was live streaming when this was happening back here. I guess the price action was a lot less methodical, right? It was a lot more violent and faster pace. So yeah, this was like, we had like nearly 4,000 people watching. You know, I mean, you couldn't even read chat. It was going so fast. Here we are again after the reversal. We're back at it, breaking it, and the hype's just not there yet. I think there's still people in disbelief. So you understand above 13,869, above the 14.2, you know, above the 618, the next fib node 16,325. I think we're gonna get some pullbacks before then, but man, that parabolic run right now is doing things, man. Looking good. Positive moments building. You're still overbought. You're very hot. 82 on the RSI on the daily. That's something that's there, man. You know, you can spend some extended time out there, but you know, oftentimes you get overbought, you get out of overbought territory. Hopefully to reset the oscillators, only to get overbought again if the bull trend is to continue. So the weekly, man. Oops, that's here. Oh, 3 day. The 3 day is what set us up, man. The 3 day is what gave us clarity when the daily was showing almost no clarity. Thank you so much, 3 day, for the very clear, concise, hidden bullish divergence. And look what it's manifested into. Highest high we've seen in 14, 15 months. Right, it's beautiful. If say Bitcoin closed. Well, I guess yesterday, this is something I missed on stream. Yesterday was the highest level where traders set it up on the daily since January 10th, 2018. That's phenomenal. So now we're just getting follow through off that. 3 days, you know, 74. It's not too bad, right? But beautiful run so far. But the weekly, man, the weekly is everything. This is so important. 3 gorgeous dam resistance. You had a premature breakout, you sold off 30%, and now you're back out. Very real. 5 days, 8 hours till this close, but so that means we'll see how far we go. We got the monthly. This is all stuff I did yesterday, but we got some more. Look at this bullish and golden candle, man. Wasn't it the target 13.8 on the monthly and the 3 month? Yes. Your break, hook and go confirmation off a 2.5 year consolidation structure. We are approaching, and there's only 4 days and 8 hours left on this monthly candle chat. You understand how close we are. We are just a couple $100 away from traders settling up at their highest point of all time, even higher than we did the month of December 2017, the Great FOMO. That is insane, dude. Okay, we're so close. And here's the thing, on the monthly, getting extremely healthy bullish engulfing candle. I just don't think people realize yet how significant this is, but maybe they will realize when they see Bitcoin at much, much higher prices in the coming months. Okay? They'll be here, man. They will remember when they just open up an app or they turn on any kind of mainstream media that's talking about it. Yeah, they'll be reminded for sure, and the FOMO will hit them. And they'll say, dang, man, should have listened to those people that were talking about Bitcoin, man, for 2.5 effing years, right? Yeah, you had all this time to accumulate, to acquire, and then 2020 was the year, man. It seems like where the breakout occurred. And it's not even just the monthly, it's the 3 month through the quarterly candle. It's so freaking good, man. 3 month. Same thing, dude. It doesn't even look like much, right? But the bullish engulfing candle in April, May, June, that quarter, Q2, has ushered in a very nice run where, again, here you go, 13.8 is the highest level, the quarterly, where the traders settled up ever on the 3 month candle. So you're fast approaching it. 3 month, man. Look at the RSI at 68. That's brilliant, man. Brilliant. And then you look at stocks today, and it's like, can you get that Drake? The Drake meme? Meh. Not looking great, man. And yesterday, that was a big topic we were discussing. You know, you look at the monthly, the weekly, the 3-month on Bitcoin, it looks phenomenal, looks set up for insanely higher prices. And then you go to the stock market and you look at the index funds and they look the inverse. They look ready to get obliterated. They look ready to dump so hard. We're talking monthly dark cloud cover, Japanese candlestick reversals. It just doesn't look that good. So, but I just find it'll be a strange world universe we're living in if Bitcoin respects the TA and the stock market respects the TA to the downside. People are going to be like, oh my god, the stock market's crashing, it's sucking, it's dumping on the technicals, and then Bitcoin's pumping on the technicals.
Any similarities to the 17 BTC? FOMO in November/deck?
No, because remember, Jeff, it's so much different. This is more like 2016, late 2015. Because remember, this is 2017, right? The run had already been going on for a year and a half, 2 years. It was already a multi-year bull trend. Okay, so this is so different. This is just we're like how can it be like November, December of 2017 when Bitcoin has just broken out on the monthly and the weekly? How? It can't be. It's impossible. Right? This was a Rudy Poo, great FOMO, straight line up forever, and now we just broke out. We broke out 2 weeks ago, technically, the week of October 12th. So no similarities besides price. Besides, hey man, it's pretty good, dude. It's a great price, but still, people don't. I think a lot of people are sleeping right now and haven't even realized what's happening. So, but hey, I'm here every day, trying to tell you about support resistance, what happens if you really break support resistance, what can happen. And I don't know how long we've been discussing 11,463. It's been a while, right? I mean, a long while. So we're actually breaking it. So. Thanks, dude, for the $5 super chat. Yeah, it's really good to see y'all midday. Thanks for the 541 people here. Yeah, dude, 541 people here, and then literally 15 months ago I was here, and there were 4,000 people watching. Right?
I need a refill on my Kool-Aid.
Is that a joint?
Oh man, yeah, Kool-Aid, Alabama recruit, #1 DB in the state of Alabama, 5-star athlete. Committed to Alabama yesterday. Let's go, dude. Thank you, man, for the reminder. Beauty. So total. Let's go to total real quick. Another spectacle on the charts today. Very notable, right? Sorry, getting a log scale. Here it is, right? The highest price since. I thought it was. Wait a second. Who debated me? Highest level since. April of 2018, not January, sir. So that's the next resistance, it seems like, for total. But that's 409. I thought 420. It is 420. It's like on the daily. The weekly, it's a lot clearer. It seems like it's 409 billion. Seems like you got a little bit of room to run before you hit a resistance there. We've been looking on the daily, right here. It's a beautiful structure, you know, ascending burning wedge, just kind of a channel, really. And yeah, just lots of resistance, man. Like traders set it up on the daily, I think at 420. Yeah, 420, man. So 409 is the weekly. Let me make that only visible on the weekly. Crazy, man. Crazy stuff. Yeah, you've just broken it. I mean, like, you try, you've been up thrusting, but you know what's happening on the daily. If all stays the same with 7 hours and 36 minutes to go on the total market cap, bullish engulfing candle. Bullish engulfing candle breakout. And back testing what was once resistance is now support. So it's kind of like a break, hook, and go confirmation on the daily. That's amazing, man. So strong. So, you know, if you get follow the price action, you're going to $420 billion market cap.
Is that a joint?
And that will be the first time, again, since May of 2018. Very good. That's just Bitcoin, man. We're just talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin total. We can go to Bitcoin dominance. It's like 62% or something like that. Look how it started, man. You know, I mean, it's hey, how could this guy be doing technical analysis on Bitcoin dominance? It doesn't work. Well, I'm not saying it works, right? I'm not saying to trade it. You can't trade it, and that's why it probably doesn't work. But it doesn't mean like I can't just use my imagination and do what I would do on a traditional asset, where you had like a low, a lower low. You had bullish divergence that turned into bullish convergence and inverse head and shoulders looking stuff at the neckline being a very critical reversal point. December 2018, July 2017, and you broke it, and now you've broken another critical area, which was the low point from May of 2017. You've been using that as support for almost a week, and now we're going, and now for the first time we're attempting to break above the 200-day moving average. We're testing it today and yesterday for the first time since we fell below it May 29th, so it's been a while. So big things happening. Market cap dominance is climbing with total going up, meaning newer money is entering the market, but it is not necessarily going into altcoins. It's going into Bitcoin kind of directly. That's what's happening. So people asking about, why are these other altcoins not following too much? They are. They really are. Look at your watch list, man. I mean, Link's up 5%. VeChain and ADA and XLM all about 2% up. IOTA's up 3%. I mean, they are going up, but more money that is the money that is coming to the market, the majority of it seems like it's going into Bitcoin at this current time. Based on this chart, based on Bitcoin dominance, this wouldn't be climbing if that wasn't so. Okay. Is that a partial decline? A potential partial decline. You know, if TA is to be respected, I don't know, man. Like, it's not a partial decline until it rallies and tests 65%. Like a partial decline has to be the pivot and then run up and test it. Once it tests it again, that becomes a confirmed partial decline. But again, it's Bitcoin dominance. I don't really know how well TA really works here since no one's actually trading this per se. But maybe market participants that control this market are maybe using the TA, I don't know, to gauge when to put more into Bitcoin. I have no idea, dude. It's all speculative. It's all like repeat. I don't know. So you can't dwell on those things. You just gotta stick to the individual asset, macro, sector, whatever. Are you gaining an edge on that asset at that time? No, Grub, I did not see that College Game Day is going to the Masters. It's kind of weird. What are they doing? Like, why? Like, oh, I guess just because it's happening, you know, not in the spring. That's kind of weird. Yeah, historical. So, what? IOTA has a deal with the Japanese government. Now that type of stuff sounds like 2017, doesn't it? IOTA striking deals in autumn of a certain year. Yeah, because IOTA, that's how they exploded up. Oh, rumors with Microsoft, man. Anyone remember that? I mean, they went up. It went up like, it was like 80 cents and went up to $5 in like a few weeks or something stupid before crashing. Like a lot of them. Like, remember Verge? Holy crap, dude. Okay, so that's Bitcoin, man. That's Bitcoin dominant. That's total. That's weekly. That's monthly. That's 3 month. We covered almost everything we possibly can about Bitcoin. All right, been live 24 minutes, covering it straight. So I guess we can shift gears and take a gander at Ethereum that held on. It truly did hold on. What did it do, man? Well, it came to back test the ascending triangle. My interpretation of the ascending triangle's top was the high from September 13th, and a lot of other people said, no, it's actually the high, it's the local highs. But you got to remember what September 13th high was. It's a critical support resistance, man. Like, that's to me where, so anyway, I mean, that's creativity and stuff. You got to critical thinking, whatever. That was just my thought process on it. So what happened? A bullish hammer of some sort appeared with price action below it, but traders never set it up below it, which is fine. And then what happened? The reversal. And then what happened? The hidden bullish divergence that we said at some point will start developing, and it has all but developed, where you got back above the local high of $394, and you're 408 now, up 4%. It's Ethereum, man. After hitting the first target of the trade setup, it had to sell off to confirm the validity of what was once resistance is now support, and now we're going. And your target's 416 again. and there might be some sell orders there, but it might not be as strong as last time. But eventually, as a trader, we think that eventually it could break 416 and then run up to 444, which is the second target of the trade setup based on a congestion area that was manufactured August 14th. It's not crazy, man. Not crazy at all. MicroStrategy's already have $100 million off their Bitcoin purchase. Institutional FOMO incoming, Cody. Nice, man. That's very good to hear. Good for them, man. They bought. They didn't really buy strategically, did they? I think they were buying when Bitcoin was dumping in September, some area, and it was on the way down, and they're just catching a falling knife. And all right, lo and behold, it held. Right. All Bitcoin did was go down to test the old reaccumulation structure schematic, $10,000 or so, and then just kept making higher lows, and boom, here we are, $13,600 for the first time in 14, 15 months or whatever, maybe 16, I don't know. Very, very good, man. If you hear a beep, don't worry about it. I don't know. Oh, I didn't do it, man. So sweet. Oh, nice. It's working. Oh, it's working today. Getting a little. Oh, yeah. As you know, what I'm talking about, just for people that I don't know. It doesn't seem like there's any new people watching the stream. It's all the same people. Like, I don't know, man. I guess I'm shadow banned. Like, I'm not It's not working on SEO, right? People would be searching probably right now for Bitcoin Live or something, but it doesn't look like that works. So, but no, I'm just talking about, the entry was the back test of the spring of 366, and you hit the target, and you sold off. Look, this is the way I had it, right? Before even the local highs I'd plotted, you just back tested it, held it, and hidden divergence showed up, and now you're running again. So eventually 463, and then eventually, hopefully, the 100% measured move of the ascending triangle, which is $464 and change. All right, so let's go, man. Let's freaking go. Ethereum. But this one was looking fantastic on the weekly. Very, very good. Where you never had traders settle up below a high from August of 2017. Never. And then we got a bullish engulfing candle the week of October 5th, and you've done nothing but run up since then. And look, you even broke back above 366, the neckline of the double bottom, the confirmed double bottom, and back tested support 2 weeks in a row, and now it's kind of taking its time. It's not doing what Bitcoin's doing. It's underperforming Bitcoin right now. Most assets are underperforming Bitcoin. That happens, man. Bitcoin is the market driver. Here's your double bottom, man. There it is, 100% measure move of the double bottom, $652. If you want, on the monthly, if you want a bullish engulfing candle, which would be extremely good, you want to close in 4 days and 8 hours above $434. You do that, bullish engulfing on the monthly is extremely powerful, okay?
Bruh.
And that would make so much sense to get that, because from your all-time high to the lowest low, that's just a common 50% retracer, so right around there. It's beautiful. There's actually even bullish divergence on the second low. It's just gorgeous, man. This is what dreams are made of. Okay, does everyone get it? Ethereum is silver, Bitcoin is gold in this market, not Litecoin. Litecoin's like copper or something, or worse than copper. I don't know, man. It's like aluminum or something scrubby. Wow, that's crazy about Hex if that's real. Jake, that's on you, man. I don't know. Turn on your notifications, because everyone got notified, dude. Yep, I'm looking at it right now. Make sure all your notifications turn on in the Discord. If you're new, you want to join the Discord so you get those notifications, because YouTube will, in fact, fail you. Here is the Discord link. Join us. We're about 8,000 members strong, growing all the time. And there's educational resources in there. There's just a really big community of people that love trading and technical analysis and stocks and commodities. Anything that is on a chart, we'll look at it, man. Right? I mean, wow. Hold on a sec. Where is it? Let's go back to that one. Well, I mean, I'm not surprised about Hex. You know, I mean, it's demanding respect for now because it did respect the effing TA so hard. Consolidation. I mean, a textbook freaking ascending triangle that was just too perfect. Hit the measure move, and then it ran up and it broke out. It broke above its all-time high pretty much from July 29th, high to low. Guess what it's done? It's hitting the golden mean ratio. The 1.618, 9.1 tenths of 1 penny. A brilliant performance on this asset that's actually somehow showing hidden bullish divergence right now on the 4 hour. So impending price action continuation to the upside. How insane would it be if Hex broke the 1618, which is pretty much the resistance. The golden mean ratio is resistance. The 100% measured move of the entire range that it had been in is up here at 1.05 cents. That's nuts, dude, right? Let me just plot that right there so you can see it. We'll see. I mean, that hidden bullish divergence might be enough to get it up there. Okay. Very good. Very, very good. So, Larry. Who knows? I don't know if Hex is a scam, dude. I don't really care. I'm just looking at the chart. Like, someone requested this the other day, and they're like, hey, could you look at Hex? And I'm like, I guess, man. Tip me over $10. I'm like, sure. And it had already, like, broken out. And I'm like, dang, man, why didn't you ask me about Hex, like, a week ago or 2-3 days before the breakout so we could identify the structure and we could all win? So we could look at it and see the TA be respected. Nah, man. People are just looking at things that pump, you know. They don't... The best requests are the ones that are looking beautiful like this before the breakout. So very, very good. Oh, you asked me about 11 months ago. Who cares about 11 months ago, dude? 11 months ago is what is it now? October. I mean, dude, yeah, it had been a while. I'm talking about, you just asked me about it in October when the structure's there.
Shark on weekly BTC Bitstamp 2019 high valid or not?
What's up, Ada?
Is that a joint?
Well, no. Hey, Ethereum on the daily, it's trying to bullishly engulf after the back test of the ascending triangle. Beautiful, man. Friggin' beautiful. That's what we're looking for. Look at this, man. You know how Bitcoin's at like 84, 85 on the daily on the RSI? Ethereum's at 60. So much upside potential. If market participants want to push this higher, it goes so high, man. But definitely 464 could be achieved the way the RSI looks in time. And it could start with the engulfing candle after the back test, right? What was once resistance is now being confirmed to market participants as support. It happens over and over and over again on all markets, not just this one. So my Bitcoin, Bitstamp, man, let me see what I can do. You want Bitstamp, okay? Bitstamp Shark, maybe the weekly. No, maybe not. Oh, okay, I get you. You're like, yeah, the 113%. It's possible. The 113% retrace is near the 14.2, just like the local bearish crab pattern. Remember we were looking at earlier on stream? He's talking about X, A, B, C, D. Got ways to go, man. Oh my god. And that 113% retrace is... Oh, it's higher. Okay, it's much higher than PCZ of the bearish crab pattern, the local one, small one that you can't even see here. But, yeah, that would be it if it was gonna do it, man. 14.920. 113% retrace. And near a 1618 fib extension, so a little confluence there. Yeah, I mean, again, you got to mark up over $1,000, right, to get there if it's gonna hit. So it was possible, man. Sure, it was either the 886 or it was the 113% retrace. You did reverse around the 786. It was like 83, 84% retrace before it sold off. 30% retrace and then rallying again. So yeah, that would be X marks the spot if you're talking about a bearish shark pattern. And think about it. What if it did reverse? Then it goes down 50%. And then it goes to moon. But, you know, bullish 5-0. You know what I'm talking about? Sure, Eddie. Thanks, man, for the 420. I am perplexed. Literally perplexed. Yeah, I'm shadow banned again. Nice. I don't know what I can do to get unshadow banned, man. Like, I'm literally shadow banned right now. It's so demoralizing, man. I just don't know what to do. Like, why? I don't deserve to be shadow banned. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm only trying to help people. Like, I hate YouTube. Like, why am I getting shadow banned again all of a sudden? The past 2 days, today and yesterday. Not yet the day before that, though. I was fine. And every other effing day before that. So, getting literally suppressed and censored. 100% censored right now. Nice, dude. Unbelievable, dude. Oh, sure, I'll contact support. How do you do it? Do you do it Twitter or email? I think I'm gonna reach out on Twitter. There's no other recourse at this point, dude. There's no way they'll get to me. What is it? YouTube support, maybe. God, dude, I don't even know. Someone send me the link to the whoever it is. All right, I can't find it. There's just a bunch of trash, fake accounts. I'm gonna try to look for it. Dude, I have no idea what to do. I can't even message these people, so. I don't have any recourse. Yeah, Litecoin had a bullish pin bar yesterday too, and the reversal occurred at it. So, and a bullish engulfing candle is developing on Litecoin today, right now. Here's Litecoin. Well, you were warned on Litecoin September 23rd. Patrons were given the entry at $42.77, $43. Literal entry was there. And now it's at $58.82. It hit $60 for brief moments, and now it is beginning to try to engulf the previous candle and could take us to $64.83 and $68.65, and could go much higher than that. That's not it, Tacit. That's literally wrong. How are you even saying that with such like, dude? I've never monetized my videos. I'm only shadow banned the past 2 days. That's it, dude. Shadow banned during COVID stuff, but that's different, man. I haven't been shadow banned in months, really, until yesterday and today. So, anyone have a YouTube, Twitter handle I can reach out to or something? No, it's not. Good God, man. Like, okay, stop trying to find solutions. It's literally an algorithmic thing. It's not because I'm doing anything different than I've done my entire almost 3 years of live streaming. It's all the same. It's just algorithms are somehow stupid today and yesterday. I don't know. So at least crypto's doing well. At Team YouTube, that's what it is. There you go. See. Alright, I tweeted. See what happens. Don't know if it's gonna do anything. Right? No one even have to send y'all the link to my tweet to them. Oh my god, dude. No way. What the... I accidentally, like, I don't know, I copied the link and it didn't copy, so there's the Twitter link. I don't know if people liking it's gonna do anything, but here's Litecoin, the 4 hour, the hidden bullish divergence. The idea was the exact same as it was gonna be for Ethereum, where eventually if you pivot, it's gonna be hidden bullish divergence. There's nothing anyone can do about it. It was gonna happen, and so just it was the bullish hammer pin bar at the bottom of the little upsloping flag. And look at this, man. $60 is the target, you know, 60 bucks, and then that's it. And that's literally it, dude. So I don't know, man. I highly doubt anything will change. Like, when has Bitcoin or when has YouTube team ever helped really in a... Maybe they're there, man. I don't know. This has never happened, okay, where I'm trying to fix something in real time. Session eyes again? Yeah, Bitcoin's definitely doing things. Going back in the green, 3 hours, 12 minutes till the 4 hour candle close. But altcoins are catching some more bids right now, right? So maybe it's like money's coming into Bitcoin and then it's going back out into alts or something. I don't know. I mean, everything's got, even XRP caught a little bit of love. Look what it did, man. Remember we were talking about, hey, it's ascending triangle. Look at this price action at the demand line. And now it just looks like one huge major ascending triangle nearing the apex. 100% measure moves pretty much the same. 28.551 cents. It's just this long, extended consolidation structure, and it just keeps maturing. So, and here too, you know, like you could pretty much argue hidden bullish divergence maybe just is going again, right? More, not even, just it's bullish convergence at this point. Bullish convergence, man. Yeah, please go like this tweet or something. I don't know if it even helps, but whatever, man. I just want to be searchable. I just want like it to be like, hey, man, someone could, my own subscribers could find me and they know I'm live. It's not even fair that 34,000 subs can't even see I'm live right now. Grave injustice. Yeah, Zcash was, you know, it was rough. You know, the sell-off was kind of not good, but it was kind of violent. But yeah, everything's recovering, you know. So, but a big outperformer, just like, oh, let's go to Binance Coin. Which, hey, man, yeah, trade setup. Anyone? Bueller, most recent trade setup is pulled back a little bit, but it was at one point 32.37, the highest level since September 14th. Beautiful uptrend, beautiful structure, bullish convergence. You broke the neckline, you back tested it, you engulfed, and look, you've been going, man. So patience just required on this one. Targets eventually 33, 33, 33. Repeating, of course. So all we can do now is, like, I guess if they fix it, then I would just somehow show up in your own subscription feed, which right now I do not show up in your subscription feed at all. So, yeah, it doesn't make sense, man. Man, I wonder what it is, man, because like other people aren't getting like that. They're not getting shadow bans. Dude, literally, when you type in Bitcoin Live on YouTube, there's a scam. There's a literal scam that's showing up. Yeah, man. Like, this is so stupid, dude. I don't show up in search right now. If I did, I'd have 1,000 people watching. This, man. Yeah, the scam's up. The scam is not shadow banned, and my stream is. Jerry, that's literally wrong. It's not true. So, okay, so BNB, pulling back, whatever, up, down, up, down. I mean, just you go across the board, man. Money's coming back into altcoins. You know, ZRX. Think about Bitcoin where it is. You know, highest levels of the entire rally recovery from the COVID crash, right? And you look at ZRX, right? I mean, it broke a wedge. Can't do anything. No bids. No one wants it. No one's buying it. It doesn't matter if it's up 2.76%. It's doing nothing. It's near its lowest point. You know. It's not good. Of course, it could eventually rally, make it these higher lows than these lows, and sure, it will eventually catch some bids. But for now, terrible underperformer. Terrible. Okay, so I mean, it's like across the board, man. Ethereum Classic, right? Where this was a very nice educational live stream I did where we were talking about like trading a range and where it was and like having stop loss, and it actually played out. Hit the first target, is consolidating, and eventually it looks like hidden bullish divergence continuing. ETC could catch some more bids, or eventually once it breaks this 553 resistance, we could see 598 be the next target, right? 100% measure move of kind of just the rectangle or range or double bottom, whatever you want to call it. It's just a structure. So that's it up there. Alpine, rewind the stream. All right, we talked about it. I don't know. Is there even a point of live streaming if I'm shadow banned, man? Right? Might not be. I mean, it's just like, I don't know, dude. It makes me like want to vomit though, for sure. Crazy stuff on Maker. where, you know, the ascending triangle fell out during the little bit of volatility, but hidden bullish divergence developed in the end on the MACD. The MACD and, oh my god, and also the RSI. So impending price action continuation the upside, even breaking that right there, man. So this might be it, dude. Okay, you might get this whipsaw action. You get that false breakout and you run back into the structure. This could be it. Okay, and your targets eventually on Maker 681 and 712. That's it, dude. That's it. What was that? Oh my god. Oh wow, yeah. Jesus, dude. Wow, yeah. Hog, cup with handle, and a beautiful. They had earnings this morning and they killed it, it looks like. A huge gap up. That's gorgeous, man. So Maker, dude, lots upside, but you know on this one, man, if you've been a member of this community for long, this is just the continuation of the most optimum entry. We found the bottom. Literal bottom at this point. Undeniable. Alright, this was a trade setup posted September 23rd for patrons. At the bottom, dude. The amazing bullish divergence at the ice line. Not just one bottom, but the second bottom, the confirmation bottom. That is where traders place their bids. The first one, you don't really know. You don't really know that that's the bottom. You get the rally, you get the sell-off, and then you show the same low at an ice line, and you have all this divergence. That's the ticket, man. That's what dreams are made of. Boom. Right? Now we're just showing, like, my first target of the trade setup is the sell wall of the beautiful ascending triangle. Accumulation with a sell wall structure, and then targets are just above. This could go much higher, though. You know, we're talking 712 would be the target up here, because that's the size of this continuation pattern. The structure, right? So could go much higher than just the targets, and that happens, man. But dude, you kidding me? September 23rd, no one would have been like, oh yeah, dude, it could go much higher than 692 at that time, right? Nah. Who cares though, man? Who cares? Unfortunately, and like small, like fade up, man. It was a nice start, a dump, but hey, hidden bullish ever. It didn't get stopped out. It never hit the target. And right now, hopefully, if it can catch some bids, and look, it's really trying to hold and back test this October 2nd level. And if it can, man, really good chance. This could start developing. If it does, man, there's another opportunity for a rally here. But yeah, certainly these micro cap S coins are not catching as much love as the larger ones, like the legacy coins, the ones that have been around longer, I guess. I don't know. This one's been around a minute, but you know what I'm talking about, dude. Like the ones that are higher market cap are getting the love. Okay. So, like Theta, sucks, man. But you know, BNB. It's going, man. It's not done. It's not hit target yet, but I don't know. I love this one. So good. So IOTA was another one that we had been eyeballing, looking at. We knew the consolidation, the descending broadening wedge slash. I mean, it was just accumulation. We knew it was prime and ripe for a common retrace to the upside. It's still trying, man. Like, you know, with a little bit of selling on Bitcoin on Saturday. Really hurt these altcoins. But look, man, it's like an ascending triangle.
Got an S coin request with small data size. So here we go. EGLD. Let's hear what Papa says. Love ya. 0.000733332 BTC.
Here you go, dude. This is there you go. Beautiful, beautiful. Not really. It's terrible. It's awful. Since it got listed, it's trash. Yeah, bullish leading Gulf last week on volume. I guess I don't know. Like whatever. Oh, jeez, man. I mean, it broke a resistance, right? It broke a. It looks like a down sloping. All right, let's go back to Bitcoin though. Screw this coin. All right, sorry, man. Thank you for the contribution, dude. But I'm live here for a reason, and it's because of Bitcoin. And I thought it was going to be to provide live price action, and maybe, you know, hey, new people find me and they like it and all that. But I can't grow, and I'm shadow banned. I'm dead streamer. So. So we just hit the highs of the rally, $13,687.35. And again, man, there's no resistance here. You can't be surprised if Bitcoin runs up to 13,869. You just can't be surprised anymore, okay? Well, you want to demoralize me, you want to break my spirit. Whoever is out there, they're doing it. They're definitely breaking my spirit. It's like, done, dude. So, yeah, here you go. Here's your S coin. I don't know, just a way to size it up, maybe Fibonacci. 382 hit. So, I mean, common retrace. I mean, if you're just talking like dragon stuff, and that's the target. And this is the target. Great. There you go, dude. 1202 and 1366 eventually, if it's gonna play it, which I don't know. I mean, it's showing hidden bullish divergence now, so impending price action continuation the upside implied right now, and it's back testing what was once resistance September 22nd as support. So that's what you're looking for. You broke a resistance, you're back testing it once, not once but twice, and on the second back test of it as support, you're showing hidden bullish divergence. You're showing continuation the upside. So that is what is being implied on this chart right now is this. Okay, EGLD, whatever this trash is. Okay, cool, dude. What's up, Porgan?
Figured you were on, so I had to find you ridiculous how they shadow ban. Love all you do, Mr. Page Mar BTC Mars. Hard, hard, hard.
Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. So cool, man. Cool. Bitcoin's having a really nice rally. Highest prices since June 26, 2019. Some altcoins catching some love. Some more than others. GBTC is up 7.5%. What a great start from the trade setup, where we knew eventually this thing could see much higher prices. You've broken the 1371 resistance. You broke the local high from August 19th. And I mean, you know, there's going to be a high from August of 2019 that you're approaching at 1569, but eventually you'd think that 1685 would be tested. Okay. Definitely think that would be tested, man. Let's see how that looks right now on the trade setup. Posted October 15th. Yeah, and that's the first target. The first target of the trade setup is this ice line right here. Right up there. So we're getting closer and closer to it. So just keep it up, Bitcoin. I mean, you thinking if we see 13,869, I'm wondering, will that be enough? You think that would be enough to get it to the first target of 1678, okay? Yeah, total eventually should see 420. I mean, there's 409 on the weekly, but 420 is pretty clear as a resistance, okay? So great run for GBTC. Well, there's no point in even having a new Discord link, Brad, because there's no new people, right? So, that are watching the stream. And there never will be ever again, I guess. Cool. Yeah, Rocket looks great, dude. I mean, yeah, we know, dude. What's up,
What's up, brother? In your opinion, what has caused this shift in BTC outperforming the majority of altcoins? Seems alts have dominated since the Corona crash. Noise! Thanks for the coverage, brother. Could we check out the stock market?
Sure, J-Talk, thanks for the 1618 contribution. B-Marts, it was kind of news-driven catalyst. Bitcoin was already in an uptrend, but it was pretty much about the exact same correlation to stocks until literally Square acquired $50 million Bitcoin. That was it. Everything changed then, because then FOMO started coming. October 8th of this year. That is this, you see where this line is right here. That is when this green candle right here was Square, the news-driven catalyst. And since then, man, okay, in less than 3 weeks, in 19 days and 8 hours, Bitcoin has appreciated 29.57% since that. That was it. Everything was the same since then. What's up, Smiley Man? Thanks, dude. I appreciate the 50 of Bitcoin, man. Really appreciate it, dude.
Smiley tipped $50. Don't let them bring your spirits. Loyal viewership. You're not getting the views you should be getting, and that you were getting, especially due to current market threat. Viewers will return 0.003670007 BTC.
Now, I don't think y'all realize how important me being live at these times is for my growth. Like, people don't search for YouTube when Bitcoin's not doing anything. So, like, these are very important. If I don't get the growth here, I never get it. Okay, I didn't grow at all when I wasn't shadow banned, and so now that Bitcoin's moving, I'm shadow banned. And so, oh, well, this is when I grow. Well, no, it's not. I won't grow at all. And I'll get unshadow banned when Bitcoin stops moving, and no one searches for in the SEO for Bitcoin Live. So I don't think y'all understand how devastating this is for growth, for my channel or anything. So thank you, though. I really appreciate the contribution, the $49.99 Bitcoin contribution. Much love, man. Really, really appreciate it. We'll go to the S&P 500 at J-Tog's request. Hanging on. All right, so yesterday it broke back above the February 2020 high. Very important, extremely important. And today, with 21 minutes left till this 4-hour candle close, you have a back test of what was once resistance. Or it wasn't resistance. The fall of the price action on the breakout was terrible. It's now all it's doing is trying to reconfirm that what was once resistance is support again. That's what it's trying to do on the S&P. So this could be very good if it can hold, and maybe on the next 4-hour candle that we're about to get, we get fall of the price action to the upside. Maybe we bullishly engulf. That would be phenomenal. And this is right at the 50% retrace, man. This is the reversal area. If it's a bullish 5-0 reversal right here. Hold on, I gotta change. Trading me bugs out sometimes. So let me do something real quick, okay? I gotta refresh. Okay, so we'll go back to the S&P. We can look at futures too, I guess. That have been relatively flat. I mean, very, very flat today. Good God. Straight line, just sideways. Bitcoin is certainly decoupled, for sure. Right? Bottom right's Bitcoin, and everything else is an index fund. Okay. Yep, AMD earnings today. Yeah, that's correct. That's it, man. Like, I think everything's just waiting. Apple reports earnings after the close today, along with AMD. AMD has acquired Xilinx, competitor, for $35 billion. And I guess the market thought that was a little expensive for AMD. So AMD is down like nearly 3% today, or it was at one point. Oh, it's down 5.4% now. It's been dumping tremendously with earnings again coming up. So is it going to pump after earnings, or is it going to dump, man? Here's just Amazon, one of the market movers that reports Thursday.
Thanks for your guidance over the years. Our one-on-one in 2018 is my bedrock strategy. Smile, can you please give your thoughts in the 4 hours RSI for BTC?
Thanks, Alpine, man. Appreciate it. Thanks for the 5. Yeah, I mean, whatever. It could be bearish divergence. The Bitcoin stalls at some point, but the silver lining was the MACD histogram, where it had just shifted to positive. And normally you don't just get one histogram island. You normally get more histogram islands. So the bulls get the ball, right? The bears punt to the bulls. And so it is the bulls' turn, and look at the price action we're getting because of that. So yeah, maybe at some point it starts stalling out now, but contextually there is no resistance literally at all until 13,869. So I mean, sure, it could just sell off here, but I don't understand why there would be enough selling pressure in between 13.2 and 13.8 for a major reversal to happen here. It doesn't make sense. Like, there has to be a way for market participants to identify and understand where other market participants that have buying power, selling power, they would all be placing their asks at 13.8, maybe a little lower, maybe a little higher. But at 13.6, it's outer space, man. There's just nothing there. So that's my thought on it. Okay, it'd be really weird to not run up and test 13.8 after this bull flag breakout. It's been like 5-6 days of consolidation, high and tight flag, right? Okay, AMD reported. I thought they reported after the bell. What? I'm getting fake news? No, AMD announces earnings today after market close. I'm pretty sure they only sold off because of the Xilinx stuff. Look at this big bearish engulfing candle on the daily. And you almost have this huge head and shoulder structure. It's not good, man. Not really good right now. Looks very bad. So, I mean, it looks like AMD is going to want to come test $76. just a couple bucks away. Now if I look at the volume on the sell-off. But see, what is going on? Why am I getting all this fake news, man? It's saying that they did beat earnings this morning, and you're right. So they've just sold off all day. Okay, well, I'm not saying at least they didn't gap down, which is good. So yeah, man, sorry, I'm just getting fake news from a source that's inaccurate, and I keep seeing these things like man, you got to go to Earnings Whisper because, like, dude, different apps and stuff give false information, so you just gotta check it. We've seen this before, right? So I think it was on like a weed stock or something. Now Intel doesn't really ever drag AMD down, right? It normally inverses it, but yeah, I get you. I think it's just like people had anticipated that AMD was going to beat on earnings, but it doesn't matter, right? If they anticipated it, you know, the stock market is forward looking, so it just wasn't good enough of a beat. Okay, man, whatever. Well, you know, I'm a dead streamer. My days are numbered. You can go watch someone who's not shadow banned that's better than me, obviously. So thank y'all for watching. Let's go Bitcoin. 13.8 is the target. I'll be back. F you, YouTube. You're trash. And I don't know, man. I'll talk to y'all later.